In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Forex.com account to TradingView. By the end, you'll have your TradingView charts linked to your Forex.com Forex Trader account, so you can see your balance, monitor open positions, and place orders directly from the chart. First, log in to TradingView. In your browser, go to tradingview.com/chart and sign in to your TradingView account. Click Sign In at the top right, enter your login details, and confirm. Once your chart loads, you're ready to connect your broker. Next, open the Trading panel. Scroll to the bottom of the chart and click the Trading Panel tab. It sits beneath the chart area next to the Strategy Tester. This opens a panel with a list of supported brokers you can connect to. Now select your broker. In the Trading panel, find the Forex.com icon and click it. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list or use the search bar in the panel to locate Forex.com. Clicking the icon tells TradingView you want to connect your Forex.com account to your current chart workspace. An authorization window will appear. In this pop-up, enter your Forex.com username and password to establish a secure connection. Type your credentials carefully, then confirm to continue. If you're prompted to approve access, click Allow or Connect to finish. This step links TradingView with your broker so your balances, positions, and orders can sync correctly. If something doesn't look right, verify the pop-up is from TradingView and that you're on TradingView.com before proceeding. Important note, make sure you are using a Forex.com Forex Trader account, not an MT4 or MT5 account. E4 direct trading in TradingView. Only Forex Trader accounts support placing trades from TradingView. If you enter MT4 or MT5 credentials, the connection won't complete, so switch to your Forex Trader login details. Once connected, you can start trading from the chart. In the Trading panel, you'll see your account status change to Connected, along with your account number and balance. Your open positions and working orders will appear here as well. On the chart, open the order ticket, choose your symbol, select Buy or Sell, set your order type and size, and submit. You can also click on the price level directly on the chart to pre-fill the order price, then confirm in the ticket. After placing an order, watch it appear in the panel, where you can modify or close it. If you need to hide or show the panel, click the Trading Panel tab again without disconnecting your account. At this point, your Forex.com account is successfully connected to TradingView, and you can view balances, track positions, and place orders directly from your charts. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.